Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Trusted Product here, and we've got something special for you today. The moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. The iPhone 17 lineup is finally here, and I've got my hands on all three models, the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and iPhone 17 Pro. Each one brings something unique to the table. Let me tell you, Apple's design and engineering teams have outdone themselves this year. They've pushed the boundaries of what's possible in a smartphone. From the sleek and stylish design to the cutting-edge technology packed inside, these phones are a marvel of modern engineering. The iPhone 17 series is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation. They've managed to blend form and function in a way that's truly impressive. We're going to be diving deep into each model, breaking down what makes each one special and how they compare to each other. We'll be exploring the unique features and design elements that set them apart. From the advanced camera systems to the powerful new processors, there's a lot to cover. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a new phone, there's something here for everyone. The iPhone 17 lineup has something to offer for every type of user. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the future of mobile technology with the iPhone 17 lineup. We'll be looking at everything from the user experience to the technical specifications. Get ready to be amazed. Let's get started. This is going to be an exciting ride, so stay tuned as we explore the incredible new features and innovations of the iPhone 17 series. First up, we've got the iPhone 17 Air, the latest marvel from Apple that promises to redefine what we expect from a smartphone. This phone is all about portability without compromise, making it perfect for those who are always on the move. Apple has managed to shave even more millimeters off the design, making this the thinnest Air model to date. It's almost like holding a feather, yet it feels incredibly sturdy. But don't let the slim profile fool you. This phone is packed with features. From advanced processing power to a plethora of apps, it's designed to handle anything you throw at it. The 17 Air boasts a stunning edge-to-edge display that's brighter and more vibrant than ever before. The colors pop and the clarity is simply unmatched. And you know I love a good camera, and the 17 Air doesn't disappoint. Whether you're capturing a sunset or a night out with friends, the camera delivers every time. The new camera system captures incredible detail and clarity, even in low-light conditions. Night mode has been enhanced to make your photos look professional, no matter the lighting. For those who value a phone that's both stylish and powerful, the iPhone 17 Air is a clear winner. Its sleek design is complemented by its robust performance, making it a must-have for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. Whether you're using it for video calls, gaming, or productivity, the iPhone 17 Air excels in every category. It's not just a phone, it's a versatile tool that adapts to your lifestyle. And let's not forget about battery life. Despite its thin frame, the iPhone 17 Air offers impressive battery performance, ensuring you stay connected all day long. So if you're looking for a device that combines elegance, power, and functionality, the iPhone 17 Air is the perfect choice. It's thinner than ever, but big on features. Next up, we have the iPhone 17 Pro, the phone for the professionals and power users out there. This phone is an absolute beast when it comes to performance, thanks to the new A17 Bionic chip. We're talking lightning-fast speeds, seamless multitasking, and console-quality gaming. And let's not forget about the Pro's camera system, which is simply in a league of its own. With its advanced sensors and image processing capabilities, the 17 Pro captures stunning photos and videos that will impress even the most discerning photographer. If you demand the best of the best, the iPhone 17 Pro is the phone for you. Section 4. iPhone 17, the Goldilocks phone. Just right. Now let's talk about the base model iPhone 17, the phone that I think will be the sweet spot for a lot of people. It takes a lot of the great features from the Pro models and packages them into a more affordable device. You're still getting a fantastic display, a powerful processor, and an impressive camera system. The iPhone 17 is the phone for those who want a premium experience without breaking the bank. It's the perfect balance of features, performance, and affordability. Now, Section 5. Design evolution, a shared aesthetic, distinct personalities. One thing I love about the iPhone 17 lineup is the design language that Apple has established. It's a perfect blend of form and function, where aesthetics meet practicality. All three models share a similar aesthetic with their sleek lines, premium materials, and attention to detail. The seamless integration of hardware and software is evident in every curve and edge. But within that shared design language, each model has its own distinct personality. This allows users to choose a device that not only fits their needs, but also their personal style. The iPhone 17 Air, with its slim profile and lightweight design, is perfect for those who value portability. It's ideal for people who are always on the move and need a device that can keep up with their fast-paced lifestyle. The iPhone 17 Pro, with its surgical-grade stainless steel frame and frosted glass back, exudes a sense of sophistication and durability. It's designed for professionals and enthusiasts who demand the best in both performance and appearance, and the base model iPhone 17 sits comfortably in between, offering a premium look and feel at a more accessible price point. It's a great option for those who want a high-quality smartphone without breaking the bank. Each model, while sharing a common design ethos, caters to different preferences and lifestyles, making the iPhone 17 lineup truly versatile. Section 6, the Apple ecosystem, seamless integration, enhanced experience. We can't talk about the iPhone 17 lineup without mentioning the Apple ecosystem. These phones are designed to work seamlessly with other Apple devices like the Apple Watch, AirPods, and MacBook. This integration enhances the user experience in so many ways. You can easily share files between devices, answer calls on your watch, or even unlock your Mac with your iPhone. The Apple ecosystem is one of the major strengths of the iPhone, and the iPhone 17 lineup takes that integration to a whole new level. Section 7, final thoughts, a lineup that impresses. So there you have it, my first impressions of the iPhone 17 lineup. I'm really impressed with what Apple has done here. Each model offers a unique blend of features, performance, and design, catering to a wide range of users. Whether you're looking for the ultimate flagship experience, a thin and light companion, or a value-packed option, the iPhone 17 series has something for everyone. Let me know in the comments down below which phone you're most excited about and why. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and content. Peace out.